grab a pen, draw a square like a beatbox, prepare. Split it down the middle, 2 columns so riddle. Across the top, write the first 2 from the first binomial crew. Down the side 2 rows we create for the second crew. To participate, ready to multiply, no time for a sham. Binomial magic, solve it emphatic. This ain't tragic, it's automatic. Multiply each cell like a catchy spell. Remember, x times x, gotta know it well. Negatives flip, signs don't slip. 2 minuses make a plus on that tip. Column times row, that's the flow. Let the product grow, watch the answer show. Fill up the boxes 2 by 2, like a dance floor ready to soar. Now it's time to write it out. A lyrical shout turns all about. Highest power first, that's the key. Then down the line, let the rhythm be. Hold up, wait a minute. See those terms in the middle, looking so identical. Same variable, same exponent, gotta combine to make it more convenient. But wait a minute. See those terms in the middle, looking so identical. Same variable, same exponent, gotta combine to make it more convenient. Binomial magic, solve it emphatic. This ain't tragic, it's automatic. Add those like terms, rewrite the lines, a brand new equation, oh so fine. Binomial magic, solve it emphatic. This ain't tragic, it's automatic. Add those like terms, rewrite the lines.